So what you're telling me
I hate that you're just night
is that my new LaForge goggle
Night and
module
day, like,
is gonna be way better. Hell yeah. That's right,
3S
boys. Put
battery
it up,
to
put
a
it up.
4S battery.
I can put
You
it
know
up.
what I mean? 3S battery to a 4S battery.
Yeah, okay. Next up, gotta install this shit.
The screw a little bit and then it comes out.
Oh yeah? So you open it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Let it stop gripping so much.
The screw might not even come out there. Some of the screws they stitch.
Start with the main module here.
Collective mind.
Bye bye.
Artificial intelligence network.
So you got your
You know what,
Canadian
this-
here, huh?
This
Oh, yeah.
is not screwing it up, and then the official repair person is here, you know.
Zoltan knows.
The one who's running the Fat Shark Canada.
Have you ever seen the Fat Shark truck?
No.
Oh, it's a big RV and it's perfectly set up for like races and events. Just roll on up. Receivers are already mounted, or
Yeah,
they're removable. I think you have it.
Just in case you need to make a warranty claim after you've
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
He's
up your
fucked up,
goggles.
so yeah, better off me doing it, huh?
Alright, it looks like I'm
Okay.
supposed to pop this off to get that.
Okay, so there is the goggles taken apart,
Oh,
right?
wow.
You need
Hey,
to
that
cut
was
it
fast.
here, right?
Yeah.
In
Okay.
order to run that cable inside.
Yeah, the diversity
I
cable.
can give you the Wi-Fi here, and you can.
I can do that. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I have Zoltan here, so I got another reason to stop by your shop.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah, even the connector's better. That's stylish.
Yeah, the 45 degree.
It's just the cut of
Got
it.
your credit
I
card?
heard you,
Just
yeah,
looks
I heard
nicer.
you. No, I haven't got that.
And some inventory too?
Yeah.
They'll be selling Fat Sharks out of the trunk. What's that?
He's a representative.
Yes. Well, he's.
Give me
I think
a-
he'll probably compliment this.
Actually, it's
visitor,
good. Well, that piece came out.
Even though he may
Okay.
Well, I need a little,
if you ever need a warranty,
Oh, it popped down
who
there.
does it?
yeah, this is what I cut out.
As long as his
Oh,
eyes
okay,
are still
yeah.
good. I see, well,
Some progress.
You'll be ready for the second.
Nice. It's going too
This is
easy.
incredible.
Now it's better.
I love this stuff.
That small stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so
We got a big season coming up. You got to come out to some races too.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's
So-
time's coming now. I'm gonna get a bike.
Yeah, yeah.
The last guy I know that he's got a bike, he's got out of racing.
There's a switch on there. I don't know if you noticed it.
Yeah, bikes can be a lot of fun.
I got messed up on bikes, so I got out of
Oh yeah.
got into the
Had an
quad.
accident. Yeah, I had more than my share of accidents too, but not from bikes. Just being crazy. Snowboarding, skateboarding, climbing trees. Okay, I think I can snap this guy. Actually, no, maybe.
200.
Oh,
It's about the speed, yeah. Like you don't want to have it in a high. You don't want to have it.
This cable is, I think it's identical on both ends, right? The connector is identical on both ends.
I would imagine so.
Yes,
But I think it's like an
I've
8
got
pin.
some batteries charged up. If these people are gone, do you want to rip over there?
Well, let's work on one thing at a time.
7:30. The sun goes down at what? 8:30, right? Something like that.
Parking lots are always available. No, I don't really fly too many parking lots.
No, this one's got the big pillars and like the top of the underground parking.
Oh yeah.
How you can't get up there, but it has like big gaps, like maybe this high, so you got lots of room. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh okay. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Gotta get this guy ready here.
This is, maybe I'm better off putting this whole thing underneath. Because I was just trying to run it forward, but I think underneath is going to be better. Like that. Right? And then you gotta run it behind the pins there.
Yeah. So there's also some room to like
So,
move too.
exactly, because you gotta move your lens as well.
Yeah, the IPD.
Alright.
Make sure you got a nice snug
Cut
fit,
off
folks.
that cable. You want to
Cable
make
should
a-
move freely inside the goggles.
But it's already.
No, it's not. It's good. Hi. How is this? Okay. There we go.
So what'd you do so far? You just laid the cable down the center?
Yeah, just put the cable down through it. I think it's,
That snap, that was the sound of success, folks.
yeah.
NG Hobbies, Rotor Geeks.
No, this is not moving correctly. So let's unsnap.
It's okay, don't worry, we're gonna reload.
Okay. Wire is not out, wire is not out. Okay, now it is moving as much as it can.
Is it that the mechanism just rubs against the
Yeah.
wire harness?
Let's use this one. That's good.
This is like,
Left to right.
When I first got like a year ago, I saw this
Way back
video.
then.
I was like, wow, that's madness. Even in real life, it ain't so mad.
oh yeah, no, I
Like,
knew it would
boom,
be
done.
reasonable.
Okay. Good.
Without this help, this probably would have taken me about maybe an hour and a half. I would have been hemming and hawing over things. But when you know what to do, things are a lot faster. Good news, folks.
Borderline
is
incompatibility.
Everything seems to work. And once again, a big thank you to Dave from Rotor Geeks.
Pleasure, man.
Big thank you to Zoltan from NG Hobbies, two great Canadian retailers. Gave me set up with the LaForge system. We're going long range, folks. Woo!